Hi, my name is Leena Bui. I am a resident therapist at the ASU Clinical Psychology Center. We're continuing this program this semester. It's a weekly group called Coping Skills. It is a group intended for anyone who would like to learn some techniques to apply to everyday stressors. If you're looking for help with some particular problem, it doesn't matter if it's anxiety, depression, whatever the diagnosis is, we're here to help, and you can come by and learn some techniques. So when you show up, it'll be a group structure. I'll be running it. It'll start off with a technique. We'll learn a little bit about the technique at hand. I'm pretty flexible on a weekly basis, and so whatever you come in with, we'll pick out a technique that fits for you that week or fits the group for that week. We'll go over what the technique is. We'll talk about how it applies to your specific scenario. We can use examples that are made up or examples that you provide. And then we'll let you go and try it out for the rest of the week. And you'll come back and let me know how it goes, and we'll try a new technique. So Dr. Matthew Meyer scoured the research literature and looked at all different types of psychotherapies, treatment manuals, and he found some core techniques that were similar across a lot of these psychotherapies. And these are the core techniques that we are highlighting in this coping skills group. And so we're taking a look at techniques that can help with a broad variety of concerns and problems. And it's obviously a skill, so you have to practice it over time. And so we're kind of introducing it, letting you go and try it out, and then we'll be there to help you with figuring out what problems you may run into and fine-tuning it and honing it in and figuring out how to get you back into your life. Yeah, so stress at work, problems with relationships, significant others, problem with family members, and so techniques that can apply to those scenarios are communication, efficiency, effectiveness, techniques that you can use there, problem solving, so understanding what is maybe the most effective way to problem solve for that specific scenario. You can learn ways to motivate yourself to make a decision, so deciding to make a change, maybe seeing the problem in a different way, in a different light, so taking a different perspective. You can also learn maybe it's not about taking a different perspective, maybe it's a little bit about taking a step back and accepting that that has happened and figuring out how to move on and move forward with that. So it's a lot of different kind of things that you can look at. And it really, it doesn't, all those things, all those techniques can apply to any problem that you have, which is why it's there for that.